Inflator is a compact yet powerful tool that every driver should keep in their vehicle. It plugs directly into your car's 12-volt outlet and quickly inflates flat or low tires, saving you time and frustration when you are on the road. The built-in pressure gauge allows for accurate inflation, ensuring your tires stay at optimal pressure for better fuel efficiency, improved handling, and longer tire life.
Garage Parking Assist Guide. This Garage Parking Assist Guide removes the guesswork from parking in your garage and helps you stop in the perfect position every time. The system usually uses a laser beam that projects onto your dashboard or a specific spot in your garage to indicate exactly when to stop. This simple but effective aid reduces the risk of accidentally hitting walls.
Retractable car charger. This retractable car charger provides a clean and clutter-free way to charge your devices while driving. The retractable cable extends smoothly when needed and retracts neatly when not in use, keeping tangled wires out of your car interior. Many versions include multiple charging ports, allowing you to power several devices at the same time. This charger is an essential accessory for Car Air Purifier. This car air purifier is designed to improve the air quality inside your vehicle, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. It filters out airborne pollutants, such as dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and unpleasant odors, leaving the air fresh and clean. This is especially helpful for people with allergies or breathing sensitivities. Most car air purifiers are compact. Laser Parking Assistant. This laser parking assistant helps take the stress out of parking in your garage by offering precise guidance. It typically projects 2 laser beams onto your car, showing the ideal stopping position. By eliminating guesswork, it helps prevent accidental scratches or bumps against walls or other objects. Installation is usually straightforward, and the system can be adjusted to suit various vehicle sizes and garage layouts. Car Emergency Kit. This car emergency kit is a comprehensive set of essential tools designed to prepare you for a wide range of roadside emergencies. Inside, you will find a portable air compressor for inflating tires, a tire repair kit for punctures, and heavy-duty jumper cables for starting a dead battery. It also includes a strong tow rope, a reflective safety vest, and a warning triangle to improve visibility during breakdowns. Interior LED car lights. These car LED lights completely transform your vehicle's interior with colorful and customizable lighting. You can choose from millions of colors and various dynamic effects to match your mood or personal style. The lights can sync with your music, pulsing and changing color to the rhythm of your favorite songs. Electric car jack. This electric car jack makes lifting your vehicle effortless compared to traditional manual jacks. With the push of a button, the electric motor raises your car quickly and safely. It is especially useful for tire changes, brake repairs, or undercarriage maintenance. Built-in safety features like overload protection and automatic shutoff help ensure safe operation, while the compact design makes it easy to store in your trunk as part of your emergency kit. Windshield Cleaning Tool. This windshield cleaning tool simplifies cleaning your car's windshield and makes the process more effective. The extendable handle and pivoting head allow you to reach difficult areas, including corners and edges, without straining. The microfiber pad absorbs water efficiently and leaves a streak-free finish. With a spray bottle, extra towels, and often a built-in safety hammer, Sauce Holder Clip is a clever accessory that keeps your dipping sauces within easy reach while driving. It securely attaches to your car's air vent and holds sauce containers at a convenient angle. You can enjoy your favorite fast food sauces without spills or mess. Compatible with various container sizes, this cup holder coasters. These car cup holder coasters protect your cup holders from spills, condensation, and scratches. The absorbent material soaks up liquid and prevents sticky residue from building up. Designed to fit snugly in most standard cup holders, they are easy to remove and clean, helping keep your car. Cup holder tray. This cup holder tray turns your car's cup holder into a stable surface for eating, working, or placing small items. It mounts securely and often features an adjustable or swiveling design. You can enjoy meals, use a laptop, or keep essentials within reach, making it a versatile accessory for daily driving or long trips. Steering wheel tray. This steering wheel tray offers a convenient surface for eating or working while parked. It attaches securely to your steering wheel and provides a stable platform for laptops, notebooks, or meals. Lightweight and easy to install or remove, it is a practical solution for people who frequently eat or work in their car. Car phone holder. This phone holder provides a secure and stable place to mount your smartphone within easy reach. The adjustable design fits a wide range of phone sizes and allows optimal viewing angles. Whether you are using navigation, hands-free calling, or music playback, this holder helps keep your phone visible while keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on safe driving. Glass and cleaning wipes. These glass and cleaning wipes offer a quick and effective way to maintain your car's cleanliness. The glass wipes remove smudges, fingerprints, and road grime, leaving a streak-free shine. The interior cleaning wipes tackle dust, dirt, and spills on surfaces throughout. Car trash can. This car trash can is a simple solution for keeping your vehicle clean and organized. Its compact design fits discreetly in different areas, like between seats or attached to a seat back. It allows you to dispose of trash easily, preventing clutter from piling up. Under-dash creeper. This under-dash creeper is ideal for anyone who performs vehicle maintenance or repairs. Its low-profile design allows you to slide comfortably under your car for better access. With a padded surface and rolling casters, it makes tasks like oil changes, brake work, and exhaust repairs easier and more comfortable. Car cleaning gel. This car cleaning gel provides an effective way to clean hard-to-reach areas inside your vehicle. Its sticky, flexible texture conforms to surfaces like air vents, buttons, and tight crevices. Simply press it onto the area and lift it away as dirt and crumbs stick to the gel. It is reusable, mess-free, and ideal for keeping your interior looking spotless. Oil spill mat. This oil spill mat protects your garage floor or driveway from oil stains and fluid spills. The absorbent material soaks up automotive fluids before they spread. Durable and easy to clean, it helps maintain a clean and organized workspace in your garage. Blue Driver Car Scan Tool is a professional-grade diagnostic device that helps you understand your vehicle's issues. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to your smartphone or tablet. You can read and clear trouble codes, access repair reports, view live data, and follow step-by-step repair videos. With no subscription fees and broad vehicle compatibility, it offers cost-effective diagnostics.